Hello YouTube, I'm currently in the garage because it's absolutely chucking it down outside, and well, I fancy the smoke because the others are hogging bandwidth downloading movies inside, so they kick me off the internet. Yeah, garage is a decent enough place. I get to sit on this ride-on lawnmower, good seat. Also, I thought it would be a good opportunity to have the last of my Hebridean Celtic Black Ales from my visit to the Isle of Lewis, which was quite good actually, but now I'm back on the Black Ale. Just a word about the tobacco. This is after having not smoked for months. Being in the middle of nowhere here, just decided to quickly order some online. I tried to order from Downpipe because I've been watching Ben Billiard's videos, like it's how to blend the tobacco, and then I found out that there was a minimum you had to, buy a minimum amount of stuff to be delivered internationally, and I didn't have that money on me, so I just bought 2 tobaccos to just blend something, and it turned out pretty crap, in that it won't keep light, so when you see me lighting it'll take a hell of a lot. The pipe I got here is a Mr. Brogg Pearwood pipe by the name of Scoot. That's their brand, that's the name the company gave it, not me. I wouldn't really name my pipes. It's quite nice. I like it anyway. It's a lot better than the Peterson standard system that I'd been using previously. I've not even been smoking a year. I was introduced it by another guy in a village in North Yorkshire, so I guess if you think I'm packing my pipe wrong or out, just tell me and sort of give constructive criticism. It's always welcome. Because, yeah, wouldn't be surprised. I also don't have a tamper. That's another thing I got to get my hands on. Because just now I end up with sooty fingers. It's still not lit. I thought I liked black Cavendish, but using 2/3 of it in a blend, not a good idea. Just try the other lighter, not that it'll make a difference. Not staying later. I'll try and get it lit because I've got limited space. The way I'm filming this, it says an extremely high quality videos, and I don't have the hard drive space. Once I've got it lit, I'll get the video back up and crack open my bottle of Hebridean Celtic Black Ale. See ya. Sod's law that. I mean, spend over a minute trying to get it lit on camera, go off camera, lights instantly. So, another thing is my laptop. I realised I need to get something better to record sound, because you get the coming from the fans in my shitty laptop. Hopefully I'll get that replaced soon. Oh. They go well together. Family time drinks well right here. Anyway, you can pretty much see my favourite clothes wardrobe right here. This hat I've been wearing for years. My step-granny brought it back from New Zealand, as you can see. Never been to New Zealand, I'm not an All Blacks fan. Just a very comfy hat. Shirt that I got from America, even though the postage packaging cost almost as much as it, because it's a great design. And congratulations to Facebook for target advertising very well. And these some combats, some combat trousers, olive green. I've got about 4 pairs. No, I've got 4 pairs of olive green, 1 pair of the black ones. They're comfy, they're durable. I wear them all the time. I have them in a washing rotation. So anyway, I'll leave you in peace now, and well, no, I'll leave myself in peace so I don't have to talk to the camera, and I can just sit back and enjoy the rest of this stuff. Thanks for watching if you actually watched it all. Bye.